Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mystic Elements. We want to thank you for tuning in today and checking us out. We also like to thank all of our new subscribers.
Thank
We
you,
really
thank you.
appreciate you guys. You guys are showing much love out there, all over the world, Ohio, New York, Mississippi, all over the place, man. We're getting love, and we definitely appreciate that.
Everywhere.
Uh,
Man.
Today we pulled up here at the property on the homestead. First thing we noticed, the front gate was all the way on the ground. I mean, all the way on the ground out there.
Literally.
So we had to pick this thing up and stand it up for now. And that's something I guess we'll have to fix today. So we're going to do a tour around here real quick. Just kind of see what else might be damaged out here from the high winds. We are very fortunate not to have any fires in our area. Uh, but we do have the high winds out here. It's pretty windy today. Um, Special shout out to my boy Leonard Loza. I gotta show you, man, this guy really hooked us up. See that we was in need of some equipment out here. So pretty much ended up hooking us up, sending us a mini chainsaw. I'm gonna have to pull that out the truck and show you guys. So big shout out to my boy Leonard Loza. I really appreciate you that came all the way from Mississippi. So again, thank you very much. We really appreciate your donation to help us out here on the property.
Look at
Man,
that.
mini chainsaw. Check that out. Came with 2 batteries.
Let's give y'all a quick power demonstration.
Give you a power demonstration, he said, huh? Yeah. Man, that little thing is powerful. Cut down trees. I'm quite sure you'll see us in action a little bit later on, working with it out there, cutting down some trees, or maybe tomorrow. It seems like we got to do some damage control out here today. But again, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Let's go show you a little quick what it came with again. Came with 2 batteries, came with some gloves, came with the charger. Man, we definitely could use that out here, man. We've been using the Sawzalls out here, so this will definitely make work
upgrade
a little bit.
to our equipment.
Exactly.
So thank you,
Make
Leonard.
things a little bit faster. Thanks again, Leonard. We appreciate you. So let's go ahead and take a walk real quick and see, do some damage control, check and see what's going on out here.
Yes, sir.
As we take this beautiful tour. Again, it is very windy out here, so hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good out here. But so far it's just the fence out there so far that we see. We'll keep on walking down the trail here and see what else we come across.
2 little huts here looking like
hopefully we don't find too much damage out here. But no, it is what it is, y'all. You gotta expect these things out here on the homestead. That's a big hole right there. I wonder if that's a rabbit or
I didn't even see
rabbit
it.
or snake hole or something. That's a pretty big hole over there. But it's a
they got to
beautiful
go
day.
both ways too.
Very beautiful day out here. So hopefully we don't find too much wrong out here.
Big old boulder.
So we see the well pump house is looking okay. Still got to fix the roof on this thing out here. Find one of these little trails and head on down to what we call the belly down here.
The belly of the beast.
Lower part of the property. Again, things happen on the homestead. There's always something that needs to be repaired. Always something going on. You got to expect these type of things, high winds and stuff like that, especially when you're up here in the mountains.
That's going to need to get done.
But, missing. The door is off. The floor is missing. Wow. Let me show you guys what's going on with this thing. So here we go with the shed that we looked at before in one of the other first videos.
The very
Due
first
to the high winds, took the shed completely off its platform, as you can see. Did a lot of damage to it. Hopefully we can salvage some of it at some point. Oh man, this is crazy.
Oh, we could salvage it.
It looked like it's a put together type deal anyway.
It is.
You might have some cracks and all that stuff in it.
That'll be all right.
But
Oh yeah, they just nailed it together. That's why.
Wow. That's crazy. Even part of it's way down here. That was some real high, heavy winds. Wow.
Yeah, this is
The whole
messed
shed
up.
is just pushed off the platform, crushed. The whole bottom's taken apart. The sides is crushed. Man, first things first would be that fence over there, though, since we gotta fix the front fence so nobody can just drive up on the property and do anything here. It's even a big old hole in the roof, it looks like over there. See that big old hole in the roof, and that's a pretty expensive shed too, man.
One of the $5,000 ones, huh?
Yeah, too bad.
And it was for free, which is the best
It
part
wasn't
about
free.
it.
Everything on this property paid for.
Like this.
Man,
Oh.
wow. This is crazy. But, you know, again, it is what it is, y'all. Pick up some skill at the same time. I also want to give another shout out to all of my YouTubers that pretty much gave us some good advice on some of the things that we're doing out here. We definitely appreciate that information. All advice is accepted. Good news to us. We're new to all this, you know.
We just starting out our journey at the rat race, so
we just starting off our journey. So this is all new to us. Very excited to see and get some things done. We're going to turn this place into our happy land, man, our happy world up here. So got some more down trees. I think this is most of the trees we cut. All of that wire stuff that was surrounding the pot. So as you can see, the post of the fence came out of its housing.
Gone.
Here's the housing right here, and then the bottom of the fence is way over here, and then it's all separated from the fence over there. So at some point we're going to put regular fence through here, regular fencing, and take this wood down. That's something I wanted to do anyway. It's not too sturdy. Not just that, with this type of fence, it lets your neighbors know when you are here and when you're not here on the property.
True.
Being that you have to lock on the outside of the fence when you leave. So we don't want to give no one any ideas out here. We don't want them to know when we are or not here. So we got to do what we got to do to fix that. I'm looking for some type of fence panels. Out here it's kind of hard to track them down. I do see them on Facebook Market sometimes, but about time I come down to Southern California, usually they're sold. So I need about 4 fence panels to turn this fence into a regular fence out here. And then I want to open up the back there where we just came from the back road. And I kind of want to make a driveway back there on the back side. So it looks like we are back at this fence again. So if you want to grab that shovel, Tay, let's open this thing up. I think the main thing we're going to have to do is dig out this little hole in there to get all the debris out of there real quick. Let me see it. Oh yeah, the wood is broke off in there. I don't know what we're gonna have to figure out something. These boulders gonna have to work today. Figure out something to secure it. So it is broke off in there. I think you blocking our. It is broke too. So. All the broken wood down there. See if I can get some of that stuff to. a force to be reckoned with, as they say. That shed is pretty much destroyed from the wind. We are going to try to salvage some of it, get creative, and see if we can salvage part of it. If not, we'll end up taking it all the way down and doing something else with it, getting rid of it, maybe doing something else with this platform or something.